In this video, we're going to be talking about the profile and the settings tabs inside of CineExpress, showing you how to set up your profile, how to view different things like your CinePoint balance, and also how to change your settings so you can customize the dashboard to your liking. All right, so to find the settings, you're going to go up here, and under this tab, you're going to see your name, you're going to see your profile, you're going to see your settings, and where you log out. If we hit profile here, we're going to see we can change our name. You can update your profile information. You can change your password. Clicking any of these buttons, these things will change. If I update this, I can change this information. And this is going to affect when we log into the app what we see. We can change our profile picture, just the basics here. All right, let's get out of that. In yours, it'll have the real calculations, but like I say, we're just doing a demonstration right here. So this will have the actual amount spent. And CinePoints is based on what you spend on different things like web maintenance or different stuff inside CineExpress. You're going to get points for those. And then later down the road, you'll be able to redeem those points for free months of service, different projects, depending on how many points you have. This shows how many active projects you have and then your billing information. Now, this is connected with Stripe. So right now, if you click this and you do not have anything hooked up, it's just going to say subscribe to a plan first. And we'll talk about what CentiCare is in later videos. But just know if you want to change your billing information with Stripe, you would do it here. So it's pretty basic, but that's everything from the profile page. Now we're going to go over here to the settings. The settings pretty simple as well. If you want to change from light mode to dark mode, you can. A more compact view of the interface. Languages, we haven't implemented this yet, but we currently have English as the main language. We're going to be implementing other languages later down the road. Notifications to turn on your browser notifications. This should be something if you want to see these pop up in your browser. And then if you want to see receive notifications from your projects as they move through the pipeline, you'll be able to turn all this stuff on here. And then you can save your notification settings here. And that's the basics of the settings and profile for CineExpress. I'll see you in the next one.